Hats off to our 232 new architects. You've turned the dream into reality, and what a magnificent way to rise. With an astonishing 96.67% passing rate versus the national passing percentage of 82.09%, Atlas CDZ once again raised the bar of excellence.
We did it again, higher and bigger. Atlas CDZ proudly congratulates our January 2026 AILA top-notchers and passers. Congratulations to our top-notchers led by the first placer, John Michael Paden-Hedigan, from the University of the Philippines Diliman. Congratulations to our third placer, Michael Asilo Ocampo from Mapua University, Manila.
Congratulations to the fourth placer, Adrienne Gonzalez Callo, from Pampanga State University, Bacolor.
From Bicol University, Legazpi City, congratulations to our fifth placer, Christus Leo Warda del Rosario.
Another fifth placer is Jancy May Clesforo Santos from Batangas State University. Congratulations.
Landing in sixth place is Jana Marie Garot Castillo from the University of Santo Tomas Manila. Congratulations. And landing in seventh place, congratulations to Vanessa May Farion Corpus from the University of Northern Philippines, Vigan City.
These top-notchers are proud full-package students of Atlas, completing their journey with us from basic course, design class refresher, all the way to special coaching. At Atlas, we provide a comprehensive review experience that equips every aspirant with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to conquer the boards, and the results speak for themselves. From the whole Atlas CDZ team, we are proud. We are honored. We are Atlas CDZ.
Hi everyone, I'm Ermela Dukha. I just want to thank Atlas for being a huge part of my architecture board exam success. I am proud to be one of their passers. My 6 long months of review wasn't easy, but Atlas made it manageable. Thank you so much and more power.
Hi everyone, I'm Giselle Denise Lim from FEU Manila. Thank you to Atlas CDC for helping make this goal achievable through consistent guidance and support. I'm thankful for the journey and proud to share this moment with everyone.
Hi, my name is Shaira May Aptaule, your newly licensed architect and fresh passer of the January 2026 Architecture Licensure Examination. I first came about Atlas Career Development Center during my time as a UAPGA chapter and national officer in our biannual event, the Learn Architecture Review Out of the Box series. As frequent guest speaker and lecturers, I already had a prelude of the quality lessons that they provided. So when I joined their board exam review, I was introduced to lessons that were so well structured that the pacing was very manageable, especially to those who are working and studying at the same time. The instructors, they were engaging, they were approachable and enthusiastic, always ready to answer your questions during and even sometimes off review hours. This made studying even more effective and incredibly motivating. Atlas has all your core subjects covered, from your history and your theory of architecture to your building materials, utilities, technology, law, to professional practice, tropical, and architectural design. Architect Gabitan, our mentor and the principal of Atlas ADC, he has a particularly effective approach in teaching Rules 7 and 8, making very complicated and complex concepts more easier to understand, let alone apply. Overall, I am sincerely grateful to Atlas for their guidance, their support, and very practical approach that they have provided throughout not only my but to my fellow classmates' ALE journey. For anyone else out there preparing for the next architecture licensure examination, Atlas Career Development Center offers a learning environment that is professional, approachable, and designed to help you succeed.
Yes, and now I'm an architect. Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa Atlas Review Center, lalo na sa mga professors po namin for their dedication, patience, and guidance throughout our entire review journey. So, from the very beginning, malinaw at well-organized ang lectures, and they really helped me understand even the most difficult topics. Lalo na po dun sa structural, which is, yun yung medyo kailangan ko pong pagfokusan before. So, higit sa lahat, yung constant motivation po na nare-receive namin from our professors during the lectures, every after lectures, and support nila, that made a difference, especially during the most stressful days na nung review, nung malapit na po. So, gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan si Architect Gavitan for creating a review center na hindi lang focused sa pagpasa ng board exam, kung hindi sa parang pag-create po sa amin bilang better and more responsible architect. So, passing the board exam din po is truly a dream come true. At sobrang thankful po ako sa lahat na naging part ng journey ko and sa bumubuo po ng Atlas. So, maraming salamat po, Atlas Review Center.
I wasn't sure if I was ready to take on the board exam, let alone pass it. I had doubts whether it was the right time, but Atlas and prayers were all I really needed. It was a well-structured review course and a concise refresher course that made everything simpler for me. By strengthening my understanding of the core concepts, it helped me approach every step and process with such confidence. What started out as fear turned out to be one of the best experiences of my life. And so with that, I'd like to thank Atlas CDC for not only being there for me, but for the rest of our batch. So, thank you, Atlas.
Good day to everyone. I'm Mikael Leocampo, one of the students of the Atlas CDC online review class for the January 2026 Architecture Licensure Examination. I would like to congratulate everyone for passing the board exam. It is by God's grace to be given with this unique kind of privilege to be part of the architecture profession. I would like to personally thank all the mentors who have been part of this journey. Thank you for the knowledge that you've imparted to us and the things that you equip us that will help us to become the best architects that we can be during our future practice. I would also like to thank all my classmates for their significant insights and inspiration for their dedication during the review days. Thank you, Atlas CDC, for providing also to us the best mentors we can have during the review months. And the honor always belongs to God and to the people who inspire and motivate us to be better every day.
Hi Atlas fam, I'm Ida Adriano from Bulacan State University, and I just want to share with you my review journey with Atlas. So at first, I am still confused on which review center should I choose, but a friend told me to go with Atlas since according to him, the review sessions were never boring. And guess what? I made the right choice. Atlas made my review journey lighter and enjoyable. The discussions were easy to understand, engaging, and well delivered, and I am beyond grateful to have knowledgeable and supportive instructors. Thank you mga ma'am and sirs. And I also appreciate the motivating and lively Atlas environment which made each review sessions fun and not boring. The humor is humoring talaga. Mas marami pa yung iniyak ko kakatawa kaysa sa iniyak ko kakahintay ng NOAA ko noon and overthink gabi-gabi sa review. Yun, wala na po akong ibang masabi pa kung hindi. Taos pusong maraming salamat.
Good day, everyone. I am Timothy Cladoro.
I'm Justine Balete. And I'm Veronica Suez.
We would like to thank Atlas CDC Review Center for guiding and preparing us to pass the architecture board exams.
We're truly grateful for the knowledge, patience, and encouragement you shared throughout our review. This achievement wouldn't have been possible without your support. Maraming salamat.
Hi, good day everyone. I am Milena Safinosa and I am incredibly proud to announce that I have recently passed the licensure examination last January 2026. And standing here as a new board passer, it is a dream come true to become an architect. And for that, I want to extend my gratitude to the Atlas family, especially to the instructors. Thank you for your dedication on simplifying the most daunting parts of the syllabus. Your expertise and professional practice and design gave me the confidence that I needed to face during my boards. You didn't just provide review materials, you provided the roadmap to success of each students of yours. To the future architects that is currently reviewing, stay disciplined and trust the Atlas process. It works. To the management of Atlas CDC, thank you for being the foundation of my journey, and I am honored to represent the excellence you stand for. Once again, thank you and more power to Atlas CDC. This is Architect Milliner Sofinosa signing on. Padayon everyone.
Good day, I'm April Alaysa Abacan, a January 2026 Architecture Licensure Examination passer. I am truly thankful and honored to be one of the students who enrolled at Atlas, as they played a significant role in my journey, not only for me but also for my fellow students who successfully overcome this meaningful experience. Atlas was our first choice together with my friend from the very beginning, recommended by our senior who are now also a licensed architect, as well as through some positive reviews from different sources. They did not fail to prove themselves as they prepared us not only academically but also mentally for the challenges of licensure examination. Throughout the review period, Atlas consistently encouraged and empowered us in every session. This support helped us to become fully prepared not only for the board exam but also for the professional world we will face in the future. I am deeply grateful for this wonderful journey with Atlas. My sincere thanks to all of our mentors who inspired us in both small and significant ways. I am proud and grateful to be part of this Atlas family.
Hello everyone, my name is Cristus Leo Del Rosario and I am very fortunate to be part of the Atlas family. And all I can say is thank you sa lahat ng professors, especially of course headed by Sir Ray Gabitan. And thank you for preparing us para makapasa sa board exam. And not only that, thank you for gearing us up, thank you for preparing us kung paano maging mabuting professional in the coming years, in the future. So, thank you and mabuhay ang Atlas.
Good evening, everyone. This is Architect Emma, and I'm truly honored to be here tonight as newly licensed architect. I want to sincerely thank all my mentors who guided me through this journey. Your patience, encouragement, and wisdom were invaluable, from teaching me not just the technical skills but also how to approach challenges with confidence. Each of you has played a huge role in making this dream a reality. Special thanks to Architect Ray Gabitan and the entire team of Atlas CDC for providing such comprehensive review materials, structured guidance, and support that truly shaped my preparation. Their tailored approach made it easier to focus, learn, and ultimately succeed in the board exam. Hope this milestone inspires current and future aspirants to keep pushing forward no matter how tough the journey seems. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for helping me reach this moment. Here's to mentorship, dedication, and dreams coming true. Thank you.
Thank you Atlas Review Center for being part of my journey and becoming a licensed architect. Thank you po sa mga lecturers namin, sa pagturo po at sa paggabay, sa pagwala po ng mga doubts namin before exam. Thank you po, and I'll be forever grateful and proud to be one of your successful reviews. God bless po.
Hello Atlas, I am Architect Francesca Ursha and would like to say thank you Atlas for guiding us in our review during our 6 months, and we appreciate your help and guidance.
Hello Atlas, si Architect Magulo. Thank you sa guidance, and also thank you for the new learnings outside na mga academic sa first year to 5th year. So for sure may natutunan akong bago sa school.
I'm Architect Daniel Tagaro. Salamat sa Atlas sa support
at paggabay sa amin.
Hello, this is Architect Yambao. Nagpapa-thank you po ako sa lahat ng tinuro niyo sa amin. Thank you po sa tinuro niyo kahit sa mga hindi related na sa magagamit namin sa pagre-review, kundi sa being an architect outside sa pagre-review. For sure, ma-apply po namin sa amin daily practice bilang isang professional and licensed architect. Thank you po dahil sa inyo nagkaroon po kami ng start para masimulan lahat bilang isang licensed architect. Yun lang. Okay.
Hi, this is Architect Dizon and I'm so grateful to Atlas since 6 months na review namin, hindi nyo kami pinabayaan. And thank you sa lahat ng learnings, especially sa mga professor namin na nagturo ng hindi lang for review ng learnings, kundi pati doon sa profession na i-take namin. And sobrang grateful kami sa lahat ng binigay ng support.
Thank you, Atlas LFG!
Hi, I'm Jana Marie G. Castillo and I studied architecture in UST. And last January, nag-take ako ng board exam for architecture at nag-review ako sa Atlas. And thankfully, nakapasa naman ako at nakapasok rin ako sa top notcher.
Paano nakatulong sa'yo ang Atlas?
Nakatulong yung Atlas sa akin. Siguro magsasabi na ako ng 3 points. Yung una, yung structure and schedule. Yung structure, bale, yung Atlas yung naging, yung sinundan ko ng schedule sa pag-review, which is very helpful. Nag-take ako ng MWF classes at very manageable naman yung time and scheduling. Tapos, yung second naman is yung board exam. Nagkaroon kami ng 2 mock board exam, which is very helpful. Tapos per subject pa. Nag-gauge na namin kung kung saan pa kami nagkulang, ano pa yung need namin aralin, which is very helpful. Tapos, yung special coaching. Siguro, malaking bagay yung pag-review mo, pero sobrang halaga din kung paano ka mag-take on the day itself. Yung mga tinuro sa amin sa special coaching, sobrang nagamit ko siya sa board exam. Kaya yun.
Marerecommend mo ba ang Atlas sa iyong mga kaibigan, kakilala?
Yes! Nakapag-recommend na ako and I really recommend Atlas. Thank you!
Hello, I'm Jalen Nina Pica Alem. January 2026 marked the beginning of my journey as an architect. And I'm honored to share this milestone with you. Preparing for the board exam was one of the most challenging seasons of my life. There were days filled with pressure, self-doubt, and exhaustion. Studying for the ALA is not just about knowledge. It truly tests your discipline, patience, and mental strength. What truly made a difference in my journey was this review center, Atlas. From the start, they gave us clear direction and structured system. With Moodle, which is laptop-friendly, and EdUp, which is phone-friendly app, reviewing was convenient wherever you go. The lectures were focused and aligned with what we needed, not just for the exam, but also for practicing the profession. The mock exams help us build confidence little by little. So taking the actual exam didn't feel overwhelming because we already well practiced. More than that, the mentors genuinely cared. They took the time to guide us, correct our mistakes, and encourage us whenever we felt overwhelmed. They guided us not only academically, but also spiritually, teaching us to trust ourselves. Because of their constant support, I slowly learned to trust the process and eventually to trust myself. This achievement is not mine alone. It is a shared success with this review center, our mentors, the staff, and my fellow reviewees who went through the same journey with me. To our mentors and the entire team, thank you for your dedication, patience, and belief in us. You didn't just help us pass the exam. You helped us shape into the confident professionals. And to my batchmates, congratulations, we made it. Atlas will always be a meaningful part of my journey as an architect. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I'm Architect John Ordias Cabañeros. I'm Architect James Amilano. And we would like to say thank you to Atlas for helping us, guide us, and support us throughout our review.
Your dedication and encouragement help us to pass the board exam.
We are grateful that you are part of our journey, and thank you, Atlas CDC.
Oh, thank you, Atlas. Thank you, Atlas. Thank you, Santa Paula. Sa video to. Okay na. Thank you, Atlas. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Atlas. Thank you, Atlas. Tapos, mas papasok ako sa. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir Gabs. Thank you sa mga instructor. Oh, thank you sa mga instructor. Thank you, architects. Okay na. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you, Atlas! Thank you, Atlas! Thank you, Atlas! Thank you so much! Wala kayo atang thank you, architects na lang kaya. Hindi, major yun. Ay, major nga. Thank you, mga instructor. Thank you, bilang ka. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Atlas! And thank you, instructors!
Hi, I am Stephanie, now Architect Stephanie. I'm a former Atlas CDC reviewee and the recent passer of the January 2026 ALE. And from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank everyone from Atlas, from the admins who would tirelessly answer all of our queries, up to our mentors who of course passionately and wholeheartedly shared their wisdom and knowledge to us, and for making learning very fun and enjoyable, something that we would always look forward to. Because of the preparation that I did with Atlas, I was able to enter the exam room confidently, knowing that I would get out of it victoriously. With the huge amount of study materials that's out there, sometimes you would ask yourself, where do I even start? What do I focus on? What should go first? What should go last? But enrolling in a review center like Atlas helped in streamlining and making the review season very efficient and getting the most out of the time that I have. And thank you so much, Atlas, and congratulations not only to my fellow passers but sa inyo po as well for producing and helping to produce architects like us and for inspiring us to be the architects that we'd hope to be.
Thank you, Atlas!
I'm super grateful to Atlas because their structured learning program really helped me through my review. Also, their face-to-face made the classes more manageable and studying also easier, which helped me pass the board exam.
Yeah, and we're really so thankful for all the mentors who took so much time and effort to really guide us into fulfilling our dreams to be an architect. You know, it's so important that they were able to guide us mentally and emotionally to answer the exams confidently. So yeah, I definitely recommend Atlas to everyone who's pursuing the same career. So, good luck to the next batches!
Hello everyone, I am Aaron Joe Alinea and I feel truly fortunate to be part of the Atlas. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all the professors, especially Sir Ray Gapita, for guiding and preparing us for the board exam. More than that, thank you for shaping us to become a better professional in the upcoming years. Mabuhay ang Atlas!
Hello everyone, I'm Architect Adrian Gonzalez Calo, and first of all, I would like to congratulate our entire batch of January 2026 ALE board exam passers who are now officially becoming architects. This is truly a moment worth celebrating. We all know that this journey was not easy. Each one of us made sacrifices. The countless hours we spent reading modules and review materials, and the life events and moments we missed just to stay focused on preparation for the board exam. There are also things we set aside along the way just to stay focused and committed to our goals. And now, finally, our sacrifices and hard work has finally made off. And I'm very proud to say that I am a part of this very batch. As I mentioned, this journey was not easy. It is not something that we could accomplish alone. That is why Atlas Service Center played a significant role in guiding us through this entire process. And personally, it helped me a lot. With the large number of subjects and the uncertainty of what to expect and where to begin, The Review Center gives us a clear guide on how to properly prepare for the examination and what important points should we consider or we should consider during the entire process. Atlas did not only taught us how to answer questions effectively or what to expect during the exam. More importantly, it taught us that we should appreciate and enjoy the journey we went through. It reminded us that it is possible to pursue our dreams while enjoying the process of learning, both in developing your professional knowledge and in sharing meaningful experiences with your fellow review classmates. I would also like to acknowledge and sincerely thank all the professors who shared their knowledge and expertise with us, especially Architect Ray Gapitan and to the entire team of Atlas CDC who helped us through these 5 to 6 months of intensive review and encourage us whenever we feel tired and doubtful. Everything you taught us added to our knowledge and gave us the confidence to take the exam and succeed to it. I hope Atlas will continue to inspire and guide future ALE board exam takers. And to my fellow batchmates, this achievement is only the beginning, and I'm sure we all have an exciting journey ahead of us as architects. Thank you so much, and once again, congratulations to all of us.
Good day, I am Bia Claire A. Padre from University of Northern Philippines and an architecture licensure exam passer last January 2026. I would like to thank Atlas CDC Review Center for imparting the knowledge and wisdom that prepared us not only for the board exam but also for our future professional careers. I would also like to thank all of the mentors for their unwavering support and constant words of encouragement throughout our review journey. During the exam, I maintained a positive mindset and high morale because I knew that Atlas prepared us not just academically but mentally, allowing me to face the test with calmness and confidence. And I am honored to be one of the students at Atlas. Again, I am very thankful for being such a huge part of my journey and helping me turn my dream of becoming an architect. Thank you, Atlas family.
Good day, everyone. I'm Trish. I stand here today with a heartfelt gratitude for Atlas CDC. Yung journey ko here is not just preparing for an exam. It has been a journey of growth, discipline, and self-belief. Noong una, bago ako mag-enroll, syempre I was very scared and nagda-doubt ako if talaga bang time ko na to review and to be an architect this January 2026. And also, I am finding a review center na sana their schedule is very compressed, hindi ka parang tatabunan or you overload ng mga infos. Kasi for me, nahihirapan ako doon. But thankfully with Atlas, they just did not teach the concept. Di ka lang nila tinuturuan kung paano maging arkitekto, but paano mo makita yung true potential mo. And despite na madaming aaralin, yung schedule nila is very compressed, hindi ka nila para itapon lahat ng mga infos na need mo. Talagang they make sure na nakakapagpahinga ka pa din. So, I'm very grateful with Atlas. They guide us step by step. Encourage pa nila kami when we felt discouraged, and talagang it made a difference for me during my review. And I appreciate the supported environment. I never felt alone in this journey, from my fellow reviewees to my professor. Parang everyone created a space where learning felt safe and motivating. So this helped me to push to do better every day. So, thank you, Atlas, for helping me build not just the knowledge, but our confidence, the kind of confidence that we carried during the exam. And for that, we will always be grateful. So, thank you, everyone. And sa mga magtitake ngayon, good luck sa review. Bye!
Hello, Atlas. I'm Architect Marvin Bo, and I would like to sincerely thank you for guiding us throughout our review journey. I chose Atlas because it was very convenient with my schedule, and it truly helped me a lot. Thank you for the knowledge and support that help us grow. I'm grateful to have been part of this journey with Atlas CDC. Wishing Atlas continued success and growth. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Architect Jordan Bayan from Bulacan State University. I'm grateful beyond words to our review center, Atlas CTC, for the guidance, patience, and unwavering support throughout this journey. Thank you for believing in us, for every lesson shared, every encouragement given, and for walking with us through the doubts and sleepless nights. This experience would not have been the same without all of you. I will definitely recommend Atlas to future board exam takers, and especially architecture graduates. Wishing you continued success and all the best in the years ahead. Thank you so much, Atlas.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening kung anong oras man tayo nanonood ngayon. And I would like to thank Atlas CDC Review Center for bringing us the quality education that we need for our board exams. So actually, dati, nire-recommend lang sa akin to, Atlas. Mag-Atlas ka kasi maganda yung turo dito, mag-Atlas ka kasi maganda yung design. And it proved them na tama nga talaga na maganda talaga ang turo dito. With almost 92 or 95% passing rate, I could definitely say, and I am very definitely proud to be part of Atlas CDC Review Center. So, thankful ako with Marvin, with Jordan, with Sam Milby, Tracy, and our Starchitect team or Starchitect Discord members, especially with Architect Ray and Architect Tapawan. Ayan. Alright. So, ayun, I'm very proud to be here. Thank you very much, Atlas CDC. And more reviews to come, more passers to come. And as we always say and as we always think, in Atlas CDC Review Center, we trust. Okay, thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Angela Lianes. And nandito ako, gusto ko lang i-share yung tungkol sa experiences ko sa Alabang Review Center. I was enrolled August 2024 face-to-face sa Alabang. And yun na yung pinaka-best decision in life ko kasi I've tried review centers, other review centers na online. Kaya lang hindi talaga effective sa akin yung isang bagsakan na module na kailangan mong isubmit mga quizzes before the lecture, ganun. Hindi ko ma-absorb yun. And napakalaking tulong ni Atlas kasi parang yung mga instructors namin sa Alabang is very detailed. May mga sobrang nakatulong yung mga biruan, practice questions, mga short quizzes, mga exercises na parang alam mo, natandaan ko talaga silang lahat. Lalo na yung mga yung mock board na para talagang actual board exam. Since I'm a retaker, yun, talagang mas naging confident ako nung napunta ako sa Atlas. Na parang, hindi, naturo to sa amin, alam ko to, chill lang, ganun. Hindi yung parang, hindi ko to nabasa, hindi ko nadaanan sa modules. Walang feeling na ganun. Lalo na yung ed-up nila. Kasi, honestly, I don't know. Pero, hindi ko alam kung tama ba yun or ano. Pero may access pa rin ako sa ed-up even though hindi ako naka-enroll this year. Kasi parang nag-enroll nga ako 2024. Tapos, may access pa rin ako sa ed-up. And yun yung nakatulong sa akin para review ako ng pansarili kasi ngayon lang po ako January 2026 nag-take ng word exam ulit. And ayun, pwede ko siyang balik-balikan, pati yung mga notes ko before sa face-to-face, talagang nabalikan ko sila lahat. And yun, sobrang thankful ako sa Atlas Review Center kasi parang mas naging handa ako. And every weekend, parang yun na yung nilook forward ko na ano sa buhay ko. Like, pupunta na naman sa alabang, may interaction, parang excited ka, hindi dahil hindi ka nababagot sa klase, ganun. And naging handa ako sa exam day. Masaya ako. Masaya akong masasabi na pasado ako sa licensure examination January 2026 dahil sa tulong ng Atlas Review Center. And maraming salamat po.
Hello, I am Jancy May Santos from Batangas State University. I recently passed the January 2026 Architect Licensure Examination and very fortunate to be one of the top-notchers. Nag-enroll ako sa Atlas in their online review package and I would say that it really worked for me kasi nasa probinsya ako and in case na may mamiss akong lesson, madali ko yung mababalikan using their application. And doon sa application nila, andun na lahat, including yung mga activities, recordings, and yung handouts. Na-appreciate ko din na meron silang handouts or module na available online kasi in case medyo tight ang budget, hindi mo na kailangan mag-avail ng hard copies kasi meron na sila doon sa application. And useful din yun para doon sa mga preferred na mag-review digitally. And also, meron din silang available na application wherein ando na lahat yung mga quizzes nila. So, madali mong ma-assess yung sarili mo kung hanggang saan na ba yung understanding mo per subject. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-source online or bumili ng iba't ibang quizzes kasi meron na sila doon sa application nila. So, kasama na yon doon sa package na i-avail mo. And yung pinaka na-appreciate ko kay Atlas is lahat ng instructors nila ay magagaling. So, kahit may iba-iba silang way of teaching, lahat yun naging useful sa akin. And lahat sila talaga sobrang well-versed doon sa subject na itinuturo nila. And one thing na ma-advise ko din is i-observe nyo kung paano mag-isip, kung paano mag-analyze yung mga instructor nyo, especially doon sa mga questions. Dahil isa yun sa skills na makakatulong sa inyo during exam. And kay Atlas din, tinuturo nila yung mga application which is very useful, especially sa BT. Talagang yung mga itinuro sa BT ay nagamit ko at naaalala ko hanggang ngayon dahil doon sa way of teaching nila. And lalo ngayon sa trend ng exam, talagang nagfo-focus ang mga examiners sa application ng mga materials, ng mga methods ng construction. So, yun, matatake lahat yun kay Atlas. So, in case na naghahanap kayo ng review center, you can consider Atlas. Meron silang face-to-face, meron ding online, and in case working kayo, available lang kayo during evenings or weekends, meron silang available na ganyang schedule. So, thank you, Atlas, and good luck, future architects.
We recently passed the licensure examination for architects last January 2026. And we will be sharing our past experiences with Atlas. So hi, I'm Aljen, Architect Aljen Marie S. Dalmar, UAP. And in my experience, malaking tulong talaga yung structured lectures and clear explanations ni Atlas while maintaining a friendly environment. So, hindi lang siya about passing. Na-help niya rin ako to build confidence and discipline throughout the review center with their schedules. Tsaka ramdam mo talaga na may system at direction yung pagkaka-plan or pagkaka-layout ng calendar. So, I'm very grateful because this place became more than just a review center. It also became an avenue for building real friendships and connection during my review days. So, yung support system we found here made the whole experience lighter. So, thank you for guiding us and for being part of this milestone, Atlas.
So, ayun guys. Hello. I'm Architect Christian Ray Angelo Sidano. First of all, I can confidently say na ang pagpasok ko sa Atlas CDC was one of my best decisions I have ever made. Oo, simulan. At first, I had my doubts, my fears. I even questioned myself kung kaya ko ba talaga to o nabibigla lang ako. Pero Atlas didn't just prepare me academically. Transform niya yung aking mindset. They even molded me into someone na may confidence at may tiwala sa sarili. To my mentors and staff, thank you for your dedication, patience, and genuine concern for every student's success. And to the future reviewees, just trust the process. Don't lose hope. Stay disciplined. Yun lang. Hanggang sa muli. Salamat.
I am Renzo Angelos, and I would like to thank Atlas CDC for being the review center I chose. So, thank you po na dahil sa Atlas CDC, nalaman ko kung alin po yung kailangan lang talaga na reviewin. Tapos doon ko rin po nalaman kung alin yung mga weaknesses na kailangan ko pang malaman po. Thank you din po sa Atlas CDC na kahit papaano medyo human-centered naman po yung interaction at pagturo po nila. That's all. Thank you din po na dahil din sa Atlas CDC kahit papaano meron akong mga nakilalang bagong mga kakilala, kaklase, kaibigan. Yun po. Thank you po.
Hi guys, I'm Architect John Renzianteta. I'm truly grateful na pinili ko yung Atlas. So, it gave us a comprehensive preparation that not only helped us pass the architecture exam, but also continues to valuable in our professional careers. And sabi nga nila, in Atlas, we got you. Ayun lang. Thank you.
So hi everyone. I'm Architect Irvin Mark Catre, and I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation to Atlas Career Development Center for providing a supportive environment for us. The review program materials and most especially the instructors significantly contributed to the strengthening of my knowledge and the exam readiness. Atlas provided me a productive atmosphere that encouraged focus, discipline, and an opportunity to build meaningful professional connections with my fellow reviewees. We are able to successfully pass the architecture board exam with the guidance and preparation we received from them. For that, I am truly grateful. And again, thank you, Atlas.
Hi guys, I am Architect Raven Velasquez, RMP as well. So thank you so much to Atlas CDC, our amazing review center, for guiding us and preparing us for our ALE journey this past January 2026. For me, yung pinaka nakatulong sa akin is yung comprehensive books. It was very fundamental on building on how would I track and line up my reviews. So I guess that's one thing that Atlas could be boastful for is yung sa mga materials nila, especially yung mga passionate na instructors namin. I don't want to mention names, but there are a lot of passionate instructors that help us all throughout the way ng pagre-review. So, we all know that the exam this recent lang was really different, but what can Atlas offer to this to the future ALE takers is yung fundamentals na even though we don't know what would be yung lalabas na exam or yung type ng exam, Atlas will always make you ready for whatever na gagawin ng exam or ng mga examiners. So yun lang. Again, thank you so much, Atlas.
Hi everyone, I'm Architect Darcy Lin Ang, and I'm here to extend my deepest gratitude to Atlas actually because I'm sure I wouldn't have been able to do well in the exam if I didn't enroll here. Like Atlas really prepared us academically, emotionally, and mentally, which is all super important talaga in taking the exam. So ayun, I really recommend Atlas to all the other all the other future architects out there. Yeah. So, thank you.
So, again, guys, we are very much thankful for our amazing review center, Atlas CDC. There's no more na we can explain pa kasi all is sufficient naman. It is a proof naman na we all pass, especially yung group ng B2. So again, guys, all together, thank you so
Like
much,
and share.
Atlas. Like
Like and share!
Like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Perfect. Bye!
Bye!
Hi guys! Buenos dias! I'm Architect Brian M. Damang.
Architect Diana Antero.
Architect Muhammad Adslan M. Asmad.
We're from Western Mindanao State University of Zamboanga City. We are very thankful po sa naging part po kami ng Atlas. We learn a lot of things talaga, especially yung mga solutions and kung paano yung mga techniques. Especially idol namin si Sir Tapawan. I love you, sir. Mwah. Ikaw yung the best na the best. I love you, idol. Ikaw din, ano masasabi mo?
Just thankful na naging part din ako ng journey. Yung Atlas ng journey. My journey para maging architect.
Sana all architect.
Galing ko lang.
Galing
Naging friends. May friends ba ako?
Ay, may friends sa bahay. May friends.
Oo. Yung naging ano din. Yun lang. Thankful. Thank you lang. Atlas.
Ganda naman ng mga sinabi niyo guys.
Ay, syempre, ikaw yung mas madaming masasabi.
Masasabi ko lang is, we're very so thankful na naging part kami ng Atlas kasi sino mag-expect, galing kami sa Zamboanga City, di ba?
True.
To Manila, to Luzon, ang layo naman yun. So, ang ina-expect namin is baka wala kayo maging close doon kasi taga Mindanao lang kami. So, yun, thankful talaga kami na lahat naging close namin sa Atlas. So, very much. And sa lahat ng thank you po sa lahat ng pagtuturo niyo sa amin. So, lahat yun is naging foundation sa amin. Lahat yun is natutunan namin dahil sa inyo po. Kaya, thank you so much and see you.
Bye! See you not taking. See you.
And guys, banding sana.
Banding. Sa testimonial and then ano.
Banding sana.
Mag-basketball tayo guys.
Basketball ulit tayo ha. Love you all, mama. Very thankful sa mga na-experience namin, especially sa mga prof, especially sa mga friends, yung mga kasama namin doon, especially president na hindi nagpapapagod, hindi kami nagpapagod tumawa sa kanya. And also, a special mention kay Sir Ray Gavitan.
Gavitan, thank you sir.
Thank you talaga sir.
For teaching us how to solve the DMD, the GFA,
Gusto ko!
all the things.
Special mention din sa mga prof, like
To all the profs, hindi kami familiar, hindi na memorize yung names. So,
Yes.
basahin ko na lang. Architect Sarmiento, Architect Tapawan,
love you.
Architect Gar,
Yes, Hawa.
Michaela Cruz,
Mhm.
and Architect Cristia Leo,
Yes,
Architect Michaela Santos Tayag, Architect Joyce Arroyo, and Architect Jose Barata Jr. Thank you for
Thank you.
sa pagbigay ng mga tips.
And-
Next time.
ano yung masasabi mo, Ads, sa mga experience natin ba? Podcast to guys ha, podcast to.
Ito, maganda.
Yan ang gusto ko.
Kasi, di ba, sino mag-expect? Ang layo natin eh.
True.
Nasa Mindanao tayo, going to Luzon.
Damn.
So, sabi nga nila is, yung, like, first yung kata natin sa review center, as nila sabi is, bakit kaya dito nag-review? Sabi ko naman sa kanila is, syempre, kung meron doon sa atin, ba't kayo pupunta dito?
True. Tama naman.
Diba? Pero actually guys, ang totoo is, yung mga senior natin, di ba? Almost dito lahat sa Atlas. So, we choose Atlas. So, kaya thankful kami na naging kaklase namin kayo. Kaya, thank you so much to all the folks
Okay?
Sa lahat ng mga proof dyan, please thank you talaga.
Ano ba yung sabi mo?
Thank you na.
Thank you na lang. Special mention kay Sir Tapawan. Buti talaga hindi kami na-attach kayo kasi kapag may sinabi ka, ano sinasabi niya always?
Ano yun?
Huwag masyadong mata.
Huwag masyadong ma-attach. Kasi kapag na-attach daw kami sa kanya, babalik daw kami. So, for the last time, we are very thankful sa Atlas for the experience and everything. Nagpapasalamat kami sa inyo. Talaga, redundant na yan. Thank you ka na. Tapos redundant na yan. Pero thank you all.
Isa kayo sa dahilan, bakit?
Naging architect kami! Baba is an architect!
Baba is an architect!
Yeah! That's all. Thank you, folks.
See you guys.
See you.
See you.
See you! Bye!
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review for a comprehensive prep for the Architecture Board exams. Message us now.